Welcome to our Getting It Done with InterACT Grid series. In this segment, I'm going to talk about how InterACT Grid spreadsheet interface can save media planners a lot of time while using Salesforce Media Cloud's Ad Sales Manager. Managing media plans using the InterACT Grid spreadsheet interface is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Export the media plan from Ad Sales Manager. We can see a list of quotes available for export. It is fetched real-time from Salesforce. Step 2. Populate the spreadsheet. InterACT Grid enforces Salesforce's data validations in real time. It prompts you with valid values as you enter data in each cell. Finally, as step 3, import your updated media plan into Salesforce. Now, let's verify if line items from our spreadsheet appear in an ASM. Wow, we see all the line items from our spreadsheet appear in ASM. Amazing, isn't it? We just saw how you can create media plans with hundreds of line items in minutes. Thank you. Give us a call. You have everything to gain, especially time.